There's trout here. Ooh, look at the big fish right there. Ah, big log. See, the current is powerful though. But there's trout inside here spawning in, but they're not really picking up. Give me spoon. 200. Oh, not much, but. So here, boys. Plus, have two set up. One with marshmallow. Plus, I use marshmallow worms and everything. This bad boy right here. No, about to make two more casts. See what's up. Maybe hopefully before the fish them stop spawning, come back here next time, catch something. It's not have to be no monstrous. You know, I'll be something little. So y'all know what's up, people. It's all me right here, people. All me, people. Alright, peace out. Subscribe to my YouTube channel too, yo. Fish from me, yo. Same as my TikTok, everything. Plus my Instagram is the same name. So y'all know what to do. Catch y'all on my YouTube, Instagram, and TikTok.